Saujanya Media presents. Saujanya Media presents. National Quiz 2013. Title sponsor.
Amity University is India's #1 ranked non-profit private university.
This program is brought to you by.
Thank you, ZD.
After all, we have to fulfill our responsibility towards the people we care for.
JD Group, Uttar Dhoka Lajimpat, Kathmandu.
On the ground or in the air, you can always be assured of our 5-star service. Qatar Airways, world's 5-star airline.
Janaki Medical College, Janakpur Dham, Nepal. Universal College of Medical Sciences, Bhairava.
Transform yourself with Sheffield Hallam University. It's your future.
Always first, always ahead.
This program is in association with
Kashyap Institute of Engineering and Technology Private Limited. Head Office, Vishwakarma Chowk, Janakpur 4, Nepal. Telephone 97741527
Grand Bank Nepal Limited, helping rich, destiny together.
Carpet ko sahingsa, yeti carpet.
Super strong, lifelong, Vishal Cement, all climate cement.
स्वदेशी उद्योगलाई प्रोत्साहन गर्न स्वदेशी सामान प्रयोग गरौं। टेक्नोजय ज्वेलरी उद्योग, देवनारा ग्रुप।
Over Morgan in high definition. Morgan International College.
युरो ड्रिंक, युरोपमा सर्वाधिक रुचाइएको युरो र अल्तुम्सा जुस अब तपाईको घरमा।
CE Group. Gandaki Medical College. My right is to my work.
Subodh Uniform Industries Private Limited.
Golden Gate International College. National Quiz 2013.
उच्च माध्यमिक संघ हिसान र HSEB को सहकार्यमा सौजन्य मिडियाले नेपालमा नै पहिलो पटक अल नेपाल नेशनल क्विज 2013 को आयोजना गरेको कुराहरु त यहाँहरुमा विदित नै छ। अडिसनको दौरानमा आज हामी आइपुगेका छौं जनकपुरमा। धनगढी, नेपालगञ्ज, बुटवल र नारायणघाट जस्तै जनकपुरमा पनि थुप्रै उच्च माध्यमिक विद्यालयहरू र अतिथिहरू हाम्रो माझमा हुनुहुन्छ। कार्यक्रमको सफलताका लागि अतिथिहरूले आफ्नो मन्तव्य जनकपुर अडिसनमा यसरी व्यक्त गर्नुभएको थियो।
उच्च माध्यमिक शिक्षा परिषद र हिसानले जुन एउटा नौलो किसिमको र पहिलो पटक यो सौजन्य मिडिया मार्फत सौजन्य मिडियाले जुन किसिमको वास्तवमा यो कार्यक्रम सञ्चालन गरेको छ त्यसले एउटा हाम्रो मेचीदेखि महाकालीसम्म उच्च माध्यमिक तहका विद्यार्थी भाइ बहिनीहरूमा एउटा यस्तो लहर ल्याउने छ कि 10 वर्षको भित्रमा या 10 वर्षको बीचमा जुन हाम्रा विद्यालयहरूमा अतिरिक्त क्रियाकलापहरू हाजिर जवाब प्रतियोगिताहरू जुन एउटा सुसुप्त अवस्थामा पुगेका थिए त्यसलाई उहाँहरूले एकदमै अगाडि बढाउनको लागि एउटा यो नौलो किसिमको अभियान सञ्चालन गर्नुभएको छ र यसको लागि हामी सौजन्य मिडियालाई धेरै धेरै धन्यवाद दिन सक्छौं।
आशा छ यो कार्यक्रमले विद्यार्थीहरूलाई पढाइको अतिरिक्त एक्स्ट्रा एक्टिभिटिजहरुमा हामीहरूलाई लाग्न उत्प्रेरित गर्ने नै छ भन्ने विश्वास राख्दै पुनः सौजन्य मिडिया, हायर सेकेन्डरी एजुकेसन बोर्ड र हिसान सम्पूर्णलाई धन्यवाद ज्ञापन गर्दै यहाँ जनकपुरमा यस्ता कार्यक्रमहरू आयोजना गरिदिनु भएकोमा उहाँहरूप्रति आभार व्यक्त गर्दछु। धन्यवाद।
हामी नेपालीले अहिले मिडिया भन्ने बित्तिकै के हेरिरहेछौँ भने माओवादीले यस्तो गर्यो, एमालेले यस्तो गर्यो, नेपाली कांग्रेसले यस्तो गर्यो, सहमति भएन, सहमतिका प्याकेज ल्याउँछौँ, यस्ता कुराहरू मात्र सुनिरहेको ठाउँमा एउटा यस्तो मिडिया पाउनु जसले चाहिँ एकाडेमिक कार्यक्रम लिएर पुरै देशभरि घुमिरहेछ, यो साँच्चैकै एउटा एप्रिसिएसनको चाहिँ म एउटा स्टेप हेर्दैछु। यसको लागि हामी सौजन्य मिडियालाई जनकपुर तथा पुरै उच्च माध्यमिक कै तर्फबाट धन्यवाद दिन चाहन्छु।
हिसान र उच्च माध्यमिक शिक्षा परिषदको संयुक्त आयोजनामा देशव्यापी रूपमा विद्यार्थीहरूको प्रतिभालाई प्रोत्साहन गर्ने उद्देश्यले यस्ता किसिमका कार्यक्रमहरू गर्दै आएका छौँ। यस कार्यक्रमको पूर्ण सफलताको कामना गर्दै उच्च माध्यमिक शिक्षा परिषद पुनः एकपटक यहाँ सबैलाई स्वागत गर्दै बिदा हुन्छु। धन्यवाद।
नेशनल क्विज 2013 ले केन्द्र र मफसल बीचको फाडल पूर्णलाई उल्लेखनीय भूमिका निर्वाह गरेको कार्यक्रमका अतिथिहरूले बताएका थिए। नमस्कार, स्वागत तथा अभिवादन सम्पूर्ण आदरणीय दर्शक महानुभावहरू। यहाँहरू अहिले हेरिराख्नु भएको छ सौजन्य मिडियाको प्रस्तुति र यसैगरी एचएससीबी र इसानको सहकार्यमा आयोजना भइरहेको नेपालको पहिलो र एउटै मात्रै अल नेपाल नेशनल क्विज 2013 र अडिसनको क्रममा अहिले हामी आइपुगेका छौं जनकपुर।
Audition round sponsored by
VS Nikitin Higher Secondary School, aspiring for a bright future.
Be a part of our mission, Southwestern State College.
Global College International for GCE A-Level.
काठमाडौँ भ्याली कलेज छाउनी काठमाडौँ।
Kashyap Institute of Technology. Audition round.
जनकपुर अडिसनको लागि पहिलो यहाँ आउनु भएको राजर्षि जनक हायर स्कुलका रशिल र यसैगरी सुनिललाई म स्वागत गर्न चाहन्छु। वेलकम टु द शो।
या
Where is the capital of Australia?
Australia.
In which year was the SAARC established?
AD 1985 October 24.
How many players are there in a rugby team?
9.
Study of bones is called as
Osteology.
Which is the world's largest waterfall?
Angel.
Thank you. तपाईहरुको लागि प्रश्न यस प्रकार रहेको छ। Where was the capital of India before New Delhi?
Calcutta.
What is the full form of MBBS?
Bachelor of Medicine and Bachelor of Surgery.
How many Purans are there in Hindu mythology?
18.
System of playing cards started from which country?
China.
Which is the first color film of Nepal?
Kumari.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
तपाईहरुको लागि प्रश्न यस प्रकार रहेको छ। Which famous personality was defeated in the Battle of Waterloo?
Balbhadra Kumar.
Gazedi Tal is situated in which district of Nepal?
Pass.
Who is the author of the book The Midnight's Children?
Ronald Doyle.
In which year was the Constituent Assembly election held in Nepal?
2065.
Who discovered dynamite?
Alfred Bernard Nobel.
Well, MIT, thank you very much. तपाईहरुको प्रश्नहरु यस प्रकार रहेको छ। Falkland War was fought between Britain and which other country?
Pass.
Which Hindu god's another name is Dhundiraz?
God Shiva.
What is the capital of Indonesia?
Pass.
Who is known as the living martyr of Nepal?
Sukraraj Acharya.
What is the favorite color of goddess Saraswati?
White.
Thank you very much. And here are your questions. Who was the first person to present budget in Nepal?
Pass.
Which ocean has triangular shape?
Prashant Mahasagar.
Which player is also known as the Black Pearl?
Pele.
What is the currency of France?
Yan.
Which national park of Nepal is famous for Krishna Shah?
Chitwan.
Well, thank you very much. तपाईहरुको प्रश्न यस प्रकार रहेको छ Who built the Pashupatinath temple?
Prachand Dev.
Who is known as the Columbus of space?
Yuri Gagri.
Which Rana Prime Minister ruled for the least period in Nepal?
Chandra Shamsher.
Who is the author of Mahabharat?
Ved Vyas.
In which year did the Second World War end?
1952.
Thank you. तपाईहरुको प्रश्न यस प्रकार रहेको छ Which country has the world's oldest monarchy?
India.
Which is the mineral most used in Nepal?
Iron.
Which place of Nepal is famous for leather?
Kathmandu.
Where is the headquarters of WHO located?
Switzerland, Geneva.
Which compound is known as universal solvent?
Water.
Thank you very much.
Welcome.
तपाईहरुको प्रश्नहरु यस प्रकार रहेका छन् What is the full form of NATO?
Pass.
Which country made air agreement with Nepal for the first time?
That's Iran.
In how many years was the Taj Mahal built?
6 mahina.
Which personality is also known as the light of the world?
Jesus Christ.
Actually, मिलाएर भन्नु न.
Jesus Christ.
Which country in the world produces the largest number of cinemas?
Brazil.
Thank you. तपाईहरुको प्रश्न यस प्रकार रहेको छ In which country was cartoons first introduced?
Denmark.
Which animal is there in the logo of WWF?
Sheep.
What is the cash amount of Madan Puraskar?
2,50,000.
What is the old name of Kalikot?
Kirtan.
Which is the most produced fruit in the world?
Apple.
Thank you. तपाईहरुको प्रश्न यस प्रकार रहेको छ In which country was Florence Nightingale born?
Italy.
Pathifara temple is located in which district of Nepal?
Bhutan.
Which Ved is considered to be the oldest?
Rig Ved.
What is the capital of Poland?
Warsaw.
From which year was the Nobel Prize for Economics started?
Pass.
Thank you very much.